Thanks for saving the payroll, Ted. That was a big take.
Couple of goons. Klein can find him, that's a fact. Oh, what a maroon.
I think maybe you want to talk to this shyster.
What were you thinking, Klein? Don't you have enough money without resorting to this?
He's going broke.
What?
Tell him how you filed for bankruptcy in New York earlier this year. I knew it was only a matter of time.
What a cat.
And you were gonna book me in your show. You are a jerk. I don't know how long you thought you could last in this business without being honest.
I should have you arrested. But instead, I'm going to be at the auction they're going to have at your foreclosure. And I'm going to buy out your inventory and hire on your performers. I've been meaning to enlarge the show for a long time.
Yeah, but what about him?
Oh, him? He can clean up after the elephants if he wants to. Good place for him, don't you think? Alice! What are you doing up there? Get down!
That kid is a fast learner. She is just like her father.
Get down now! Eliza, go get her.
Uncle, you see? I can fly.
What were you thinking? It's dangerous. I don't want to lose you.